ano yung direction nila.
So sorry, diretso na lang namin din. May update na po sir regarding kay sa case ni Senator Bato de la Rosa.
Senator Bato, we are justice ganun pa rin. Every day naman we have a tracking team to locate him and effect that is. But yung subpoena, meron na kaming mga initial to the personalities na nakita talaga namin na nakasama niya before siya nawala.
Sir,
I think 4 yung subpoena na initial Initial subpoena. It's si Jara Aplaska, si Jane Robles, the chief of police of Pasay City, and there's another one personality na identified.
Sir, yung
Ayun, yung tito yata niya.
Yung Jane Robles, yung aide niya sir, no?
Yung aide ni Senator Padilla and the tito of Senator Robin Padilla. Siya yung nandun sa itim na pickup eh.
Sir, when are they
Sa Angeles.
expected, sir,
Sa Angeles.
mag-appear? Kailan po sila expected?
Parang this week. Kasi we given them enough opportunity to. We'll go back to doon sa subpoena na sinasabi kay, kasi napag-usapan na. It's not, we are not considering the wife of Senator Bato as suspect or anything, but to shed light. Alam nyo, the people should understand, ang subpoena, hindi kasi subpoena dahil automatic akusado ka. Kaya kami sinisubpoena, you can give to shed light on a matter. So matatanong ka na gano'n. So yun po yung subpoena. Pag nakareceive tayo ng subpoena sa MB, huwag ko kayong matakot na isipin nyo kagad akusado kayo. You're being subpoena probably as a witness or who can give something to shed light on a matter that the NBI will ask.
Sir, what division is handling this case again?
CCD.
CCD
Yeah.
po. Sir, they're arguing this parang spousal immunity or na sinasabi nila.
Well, yun na nga eh. Kasi pag nag-argue ka kagad ng spousal immunity, iniisip mo na kagad, akusado siya. That's why we're clearing it. If you be subpoena, you are being asked to shed light or merong ibang item na pinatake. In this case nga kay sa wife ni Senator Bato is on the issue of the statement of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano na may text message siya na receive. We have to validate the truthfulness of the statement of Senator Cayetano vis-a-vis dun sa sinasabing text message. We'll ask Mrs. Bato, kung Mrs. De La Rosa, kung talaga bang may text at ano yung nature ng text.
When are we
And ang the issue naman din dun